I thought no one would grow suspicious. So I used my skills learned from working in coal mines. Someone over there told me about a poison that cannot be detected in a lab test. I already knew Prabhakar Sinha licks his finger while he reads. So I put that poison on every page of his book. And Prabhakar Sinha died while he was reading a book. Killing Hirya Sanyal wasn't so easy because Hirya Sanyal was very sly. I had to go to her hotel room and kill her. When Siddhant Sinha came there, I was right there, hiding in the bathroom. Later, I escaped through the bathroom window. When Siddhant Sinha and Sweetie were investigating, I cornered Sweetie in the parking lot and hit his head. Sweetie was trying to outsmart me. He was trying to escape on a bike, so I shot him right there.
Come on.
Please forgive me, Siddhant, that I did not believe you. I thought you were mistaken when you told me about this. Now I have come to know that Mr. Prabhakar was murdered. And now I understand why you were suspecting my dad. I cannot believe that Mr. Rao has done all this. And today it's proven that you weren't wrong and my dad is innocent.
No, Anushka. You only know half the truth. You don't know nothing about it. Your father is deceiving everyone. Without KK Reddy's permission, how would Rao commit all those murders? It's a very simple question. I have no doubt about it. Rao is just a pawn, a mere scapegoat. Your father is the real mastermind.
Siddhant, do you still suspect my father? The truth has been revealed and Rao confessed that he has committed all those murders.
Come on, Anushka. I am leaving now.
Go. Your father's calling you. Now he has proven that he's an innocent man and that Rao is the real culprit. So what are you going to do now, Anushka? Will you go with your father? Or will you go home with me?
Siddhant, I want to go home with you. But I will go with you when it is proven that my father is innocent. Do you know how difficult it is to live like a stranger in your own house?
You may live wherever you want, Anushka. But always remember one thing, that I love you a lot. And as for me, my work is not done yet. I want to reveal the truth about your father in front of everyone.
sir, we need your statement as well. I am getting such an evidence which will make you believe that Siddhant sir was absolutely right.
If that girl gives a statement against KK Reddy, then KK Reddy will be targeted by the police. KK Reddy killed Mr. Sweetie and kidnapped that girl too.
Mr. Rao, where's that girl?
Which girl are you talking about, Anushka?
The girl who was with Mr. Sweetie. If you have killed Mr. Sweetie, then that girl must be with you, right? And why didn't you mention that girl in your statement? Tell us, where is that girl?
Which girl are you talking about, Anushka?
Dad, there was a girl with Mr. Sweetie. Mr. Rao, where is she?
There was no girl over there, Anushka. He was alone there, that Sweetie.
Dad, he is definitely lying or he is hiding something. If Mr. Sweetie did not have any evidence or a girl, then why did you kill him? And also, hadn't you accepted that he was investigating and found out something because of which you killed him? Dad, in fact, Mr. Sweetie called me and told me that he had found a strong evidence. Dad, he won't listen to me. Please ask him where that girl is. If he claims that he doesn't know that girl, then he is lying.
Rao, what is Anushka saying? What are you hiding? Who is the girl? Huh? Speak the truth. Where have you hidden that girl? Huh? Rao, where is that girl? Just speak the truth. If you do not tell us, Anushka will not trust you.
I have locked her up in a flat in Hoskas,
What's the address?
304 Vasundhara apartment.
You got your answer, right? Take him away now.
Come on.
Come on, let's go home. Today was a very stressful day.
Siddhant is too much. He was missing last night as well.
Let him be, Mom. If he wants to catch Dad's murderer, then he has to take some action.
Yes, he was saying something about KK Reddy being under the scrutiny of the law. I'll open the door. Hey, tell us what happened.
Mom, it's proven that Dad's death wasn't natural. That he was murdered. Purva!
Purva?
Purva?
Brother, you know, despite all of that, I used to believe that it wasn't true. I did not mistrust you, but I thought that our father was so simple, that he was so humane, so kind. He had never harmed anyone. He never hurt anybody. Why would anyone kill him? But today, it's proven that KK Reddy killed our father. And we were supporting him. It angers me to think about it. You turned out to be better. At least you fulfilled your duty towards Dad. Dad must be very happy today. Very happy. You have proven that KK Reddy is a murderer. Finally, you have done it.
Siddhant? Siddhant, what's the matter? Why are you looking away?
KK Reddy got away, Mom. He turned Rao in, and Rao took the entire blame upon himself. He played such a trick at the last moment that I couldn't do anything. He turned the tables, Mom. In front of everyone and Anushka, KK Reddy was proven innocent.
Henceforth, I won't be able to trust anybody at all. He used to work at our house. I get scared when I think that he was responsible for our safety and he turned out to be a murderer.
Because of him, two people whom I love the most in this whole world have now become enemies.
How is Siddhant?
I don't know. You know, I feel bad for him the most. His suspicion turned out to be true. Today when he needs me the most and I am here.
Then why did you come here along with father-in-law, Anushka? You should have gone with him.
How could I, sister-in-law? He still suspects my dad.
But why? Everything has been proven now and Rao has confessed as well.
Yes, but he doesn't believe it. He still feels that my dad is behind all this and he's still looking for evidence.
I have locked her up in a flat in Horse Khas.
Sister-in-law, I'll be right back.
Hey,
I'll be back.
Anushka.
How could I be so stupid? I shouldn't have come home with Dad. I should have looked for that girl. I will go to that address and confirm the truth right now. And I will also find out why Mr. Sweetie and Siddhant are interested in that girl. I want this matter to end as soon as possible. I hope this misunderstanding gets cleared so that I can live happily with Siddhant.
Anushka knows where that girl is. If she gets suspicious or if Siddhant tells her something, then she'll go check up on that girl. Listen, do one thing. Move that girl to some other place at once. Sorry, Rao. You had to make such a huge sacrifice for KK. But KK will promise you that your sacrifice will not go in vain. KK will kill Siddhant for the sake of your sacrifice.
I think Mr. Rao was lying. No one is here.
Who's there?
Please open a door.
First tell me, who are you? Then only I'll open the door.
Mr. Rao has sent me here.
What did Mr. Rao say? When can I go to the hostel?
Tell me something. Do you know him? Have you ever seen him or met him?
have been trapped here because of him. He was the one who lied and asked Father De Mello and me to come and meet him.
Why did he want to meet you?
Why are you asking me about all this? Why should I tell you all this?
Actually, Mr. Rao wants you to be safe. That's the reason he has sent me here.
I don't know why he wanted to meet us, but Father De Mello and I were waiting with him for his friend. He was about to tell us why he wanted to meet us, and suddenly... Mr. Rao?
Radha? What are you doing with him? He is a very dangerous person.
Radha, don't believe him, please. In fact, he's a dangerous person, not me. He's the one holding the gun, look. This person wanted to say something about Radha's past.
Father, by bringing Radha to this place, you've made a big mistake. Radha, don't trust everyone. You take her to a safe place.
Then?
Then Mr. Rao left after dropping me here. He asked me not to come outside and that he would come to take me in a couple of days. You didn't introduce yourself to me?
Yeah. I'm Anushka Reddy.
I know you. You are Mr. Krishnakant Reddy's daughter, right?
How do you know my dad?
This NGO is active because of him. He is the one who offers the highest donation. He's a very good person.
Which girl are you talking about, Anushka?
Have you ever met him?
No, it's Mr. Rao who pays a visit every time and offers the check of the donation amount to the NGO. When will Mr. Rao come?
He will never come back. The police arrested him. And the person whom you were scared of, he wanted to save you. Your life is in danger. Come with me. Come.
Are you alright? Purva, I couldn't even imagine that this would be possible, that someone would murder Mr. Prabhakar. I thought Siddhant has lost his mind. But no, he was right. Do you know something, Purva? I never trusted Rao, but at least it is clear that my dad is not involved in this. There is no problem between us, right?
Karthik, the entire truth has not been revealed.
What do you mean? What else I need to know?
I mean, the murder might have been committed by Rao, but it was your dad who issued him the orders.
What are you saying? Everyone knows the truth. Rao is in jail and you still suspect my dad?
I'm not suspecting anyone, Karthik. I'm telling the truth to you. Do you think that Rao, the one who serves your father all day, would carry out 3 murders without anyone's knowledge?
I can never believe that my dad is a criminal.
The truth will remain the same whether you believe it or not.
Even I can say the same, right? But you know what? It is my fault. I shouldn't have come here. Sir, there is no one in the house. I think someone took her.
Mr. Khurana, can you call me up later? I'm in between something.
Siddhant, I have some information that might help you get out of the trouble you are in.
What information are you talking about?
I just received a call from Miss Anushka.
Anushka called you up.
She was talking about a girl. She wanted some information. She's from Bethlehem Charitable Society. Look, Siddhant, Anushka has forbidden me. Even then I called to inform you. I just wish that it doesn't get serious.
Did she mention where the girl was?
She didn't tell me that. She just told me her name. Her name is Radha. She has asked me to find out every detail about her. But after all, who is that girl? Even you are showing interest in her?
Just do as she says, please. And yes, don't tell her that you have told me about it.
No, Siddhant. I'm not that stupid, my friend.
Thank you very much, Mr. Khurana.
You're welcome.
Tell me, what do you have to say?
I read Rao's statement. He has confessed to his crime. That he murdered Dad, Hira and Mr. Sweetie too. Everything. But he did not mention one thing in his entire statement.
What is that?
He didn't mention that girl's whereabouts. The girl who was with him when he murdered Mr. Sweetie. Rao did not mention that girl in the entire statement, nowhere at all. Maybe he purposely kept this from the police so that the police do not bother that girl. But he should have told something to you or your father about where that girl is, if she's safe or...
Which girl? No, Mr. Rao did not say anything. What was Mr. Sweetie doing with that girl?
Listen, if you know anything about that girl, anything at all, and if you want to get to the truth, then share this information with me, please.
Siddhant, what's the truth? You aren't ready to accept the fact that my father is innocent. You are determined to prove that my father is a culprit. You know what, Siddhant? Even if I knew that girl's whereabouts, I wouldn't have told you.
Unknowingly, you are supporting the wrong people, Anushka. One day you will regret doing this.
Why? Will there be only one conclusion to this story? That is, my father is a murderer? It is possible that you might be proven wrong. What will you do then, Siddhant Sinha? I feel bad about the fact that you are wrong and you are not realizing it.
Alright, if you can't take me to that girl, then it's alright. But do one thing at least. Do this for yourself if not for me. Go to the Agripalli police station in Andhra Pradesh and find out where G.K. Krishnamurthy's daughter is. This is a 30-year-old case. The police can give you the information quite easily if you give them the details. And if possible, share the information with me.
You cannot use me to have your way, Siddhant. I will do what appears right to me. I will not do it otherwise. What was Mr. Sweetie doing with that girl? Mr. Rao confessed that he has committed all the murders. Then why is this girl so important? What's going on? I'm so very confused.
I'm tired of being indoors. Can we go out?
No, we cannot go outside.
But why? I can never stay inside my room as well. Father De Mello would also scold me.
You can go to the balcony if you need some fresh air, but we cannot go outside.
All right.
Hold on. Don't go to the balcony as well. I don't want anyone to see you.
But why? What's the matter? Please tell me. Why are we hiding here? Why am I in danger?
Hello?
Miss Anushka, I'm returning from Agripalli police station. I've got some information about that girl.
Tell me what you found out.
The first thing that I've got to know is her name is not Radha, it is Kutti. Kutti Krishnamurthy. She's the daughter of a man who owned a coal mine. She's J.K. Krishnamurthy's daughter. But she was kidnapped 30 years ago. And she is missing ever since. Because they couldn't find her, the police have declared her dead. Hello? Miss Anushka, are you listening to me? Let me know if you need more information, okay?
No. I don't want any more information. Let's discuss more after we meet.
What happened? Why are you looking at me like that? Who had called up?
Nothing. It was a call from my office regarding some work. Radha, come here. Let's sit and talk, okay? Sit down. Radha, for how long have you been a part of this NGO?
What do you mean by that? I've been here since a long time. As far as I can remember, I have always been here. But what's the matter? Why is everyone asking about my childhood? See, I don't have a family. I don't have parents either. And I have not done anything.
Look, Radha, I want to help you. That is why I brought you here. If someone tries to find you, then they will never guess that you are here. But you need to answer my questions and you need to tell me the truth.
Ask me, what do you want to know?
What do you remember about your childhood, Radha? Just try to recall, Radha. Do you remember anything about your parents or your relatives? Anything at all?
I remember something very vaguely. The place where my father used to work, it was a very dark place. That place was blackish.
Good. Do you remember anything? Where was that place? Do you remember the name of that place?
Agripalli.
How do you remember that very clearly?
Because I have been saying that name since childhood, and that too repeatedly. When I joined the NGO, everyone used to ask me where I came from. I used to tell them that I'm from Agripalli.
And what about your parents? Didn't anyone ask you about your parents?
They did. And I used to tell them.
Radha, what are your parents' names?
Mom and Dad. I used to tell them that. And usually children would not know their parents' names.
Shh! Don't speak. Who is it?
Anushka, it's me, Riddhi.
I'll be right back. Radha, come here. Come. Thank you.
What's going on, Anushka? Who is she and what are you doing with her?
Sister-in-law, tell me something. I hope you didn't inform anyone about her, right?
No, don't worry about that. But just tell me what's going on here.
Sister-in-law, this girl is like a complicated puzzle, which I am trying to solve it. I'll surely tell you everything at the right time.
Anushka, is everything fine?
No idea, sister-in-law. It feels like we are going to be in a big problem very soon. And I'm only preparing myself for it. I'm also praying that we don't get into this problem. May this just be my misconception.
Brother, your phone is repaired. The mechanic just dropped it.
I got it. I got Sweetie's message. I'm going to Agripalli. I'll be back by tomorrow.
Where is Agripalli, brother? What do you have to do there?
It's in Andhra Pradesh. That girl and her mother. And I'm very sure after Radha went missing, KK Reddy will go after her mother. And I should reach there before him. Okay.
I kept an eye on her all the time. Miss Anushka didn't step out of her room. She came just once, to the lawn. And that was to meet Siddhant. And then she went back to her room. I don't think she has hit the girl. Or else she would surely go to meet her once.
If she is not with Anushka, then she must be with Siddhant. But the problem is not that girl. She doesn't know anything. The problem is her mother. She knows everything. No one should be able to get to her mother.
Fine, sir.
Go.
Between Radha, Dad, and Mr. Rao, there's definitely some connection. Then how come Dad doesn't recognize Radha? Gosh, I have so many questions and no answers to them. Radha, get ready soon. We have to leave now.
But where, Anushka?
Please come. You'll be safe over here. Please.
Where is my daughter?
She'll be here soon. But you have to help me before that. You have to tell me everything about KK Reddy. What happened to your husband? And why did you transfer the colliery to Mr. KK Reddy?
No. I won't tell you anything, nothing. My daughter is alive for all these years because I have remained quiet. But I'll surely tell you everything if you bring my daughter over here. I won't say anything otherwise, nothing at all.
I understand that you are worried for your daughter. Fine. I'll bring her here. You please take a seat. Please. I can't coerce this woman. First, I have to bring Radha here so that she has faith in me and then tells me everything about KK Reddy.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.